Welcome to Whimsy Crafter. Do you want to germinate your morning glory seeds fast? Then look no further, as in this DIY, I will show you how you can germinate your morning glory seeds fast. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can germinate your morning glory seeds fast. So you can see here, I have morning glory seed. I've bought them from an online store and a glass of water. So I'll use these seeds and germinate them using the glass of water over here. So let's cut the packet and take the seeds out. The seeds come in a brown packet like this, as you can see. And there are quite a number of seeds in the brown packets. So this is how the seeds look like. There are about 30 to 40 seeds in the packet, maybe more. I'll be germinating 5 seeds over here. So I have taken 5 seeds, healthy looking ones, and I'll slowly drop them in the glass of water one by one. We need to keep the seeds soaked like this for 24 hours. One of the seeds are floating, but it will eventually sink, don't worry. The seeds will expand by absorbing water. This will aid the germination process. So we'll come back and check after 24 hours to see what the seeds look like. So after 24 hours, this is how the seeds look like. If you can see, they have swelled up and there is a seed head visible over here. I'll take them out. Very carefully. These are the seeds. You can see there are seed heads over here. So now I'll plant them and wait for them to germinate. So over here I don't know if you can see properly, I have a glass filled with moist cocopeat and I will plant these in these. So for that I'll make 5 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I've made 5 holes in the cocopeat and now I'll drop these one by one on them.
drop the seeds in them, and now I'll just cover the surface up and will press them down. Next, I'll cover this with a cling film. I'll keep it like this. Maybe secure it with a rubber band. If there are germination signs, then it will be visible over here. And I'll keep it in a sunny place. Morning glories like to germinate in a lot of heat and sunlight.
So this is how the seeds look like after being sowed. This is day 1. You can already see 3 germinated seed heads. I had sowed 5 seeds. The 2 are yet to germinate.